It's been such a long time since I set foot in the club. I really hate this shit, don't I hate feeling rushed. Girl, can I just be honest? I don't feel like talking unless it's about me or philosophy. Can we just get down to business? And when we're both finished, then we'll have a reason to speak. Then you can open up to me. Girl, let me plant my seed. Girl, let me fill your needs. Girl, open up to me. Open up to me.
The piano that I fuck you on, same one that on which I write these songs for you. I one and the same, that goes for us too. I give you my name. The bed on which I lay to sleep and lay with you and lay in deep. There ain't no difference, this case there isn't. That goes for us too, I know you're listening.
Sometimes it feels like I don't really care. One day you'll see what in the meantime. Just trust that I'm there. Just trust that I love you. Just trust that I care. Trust that I need you to always be there. Trust that you know me well enough to know I'm the high priest, but you put on the show. Then you can open up to me. Girl, let me plant my seed. Girl, let me fill your needs. Open up to me. Open up to me.